come from France. Francis.
France.
France. Do you like?
Paris, Lion Paris.
I don't.
Oh,
I like rugby.
Right now, where do you go?
I'm going to Jakarta.
Oh, Jakarta.
and then you go to France.
After Jakarta, it's gonna be Bali.
Bali.
It's a great place. I really love Bukit Lawang and Bukit Tinggi as well.
Bukit Lawang, Puncak Lawang. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat bertemu lagi dengan channel 3R Studio, bosku. Pada hari ini Jumat tanggal 5 Mei tahun 2023, kita berada di Terminal Baraya Solok, tepatnya di loket MPM. Saat ini terlihat telah masuk di Terminal Baraya Solok satu unit MPM dengan julukan Patikawa, mengambil penumpang untuk diberangkatkan menuju perantauan Jakarta, Bandung dan sekitarnya. Menariknya, salah satu penumpang dari bus MPM Patikawa ini adalah salah seorang bule turis dari mancanegara, bosku. Kita coba wawancara bule tersebut, bosku.
Can you
Jakarta.
how long have you been in Indonesia?
A bit more than 10 days.
10 days. So you start in Padang, Bukit Tinggi,
No, I start in Medan.
Medan. So
Where's your country?
I come from France. Francis.
France.
France. Do you like?
Paris, Lion
I
Paris.
don't.
Oh,
I like rugby.
rugby. Oh, rugby. What's your?
My name is Thomas.
Thomas.
What's yours?
Ajay.
Ajay.
Bonjour. 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 How do you spell it? Bonjour.
G-O-U-R.
Bonjour.
Right now, where do you go?
I'm going to Jakarta.
Oh, Jakarta.
And then you go to France.
After Jakarta, it's gonna be Bali.
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 Bali is very nice.
So in West Sumatra, what place you come berwisata?
Sorry?
Where place you come in West Sumatra? Place.
I don't know yet. I just want to visit Jakarta and then like volcanoes in Jakarta, in Java.
In here.
What?
In West Sumatra, where you place visiting?
Visiting, yeah.
Where your place you're visiting in West Sumatra?
Like first Jakarta.
Bukit Tinggi, West Sumatra.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Medan, Bukit Lawang, Toba Lake, Bukit Tinggi.
In Bali, do you like surfing?
Yes, I do.
Oh, surfing. Uluwatu Beach, Kuta Beach, and then this Kuta Beach and Uluwatu is place very interesting for surfing.
How long in West Sumatra? How long in here in West Sumatra?
A bit more than 10 days,
10 days.
10 days.
10, 12.
What do you think about West Sumatra?
It's a great place. I really love Bukit Lawang and Bukit Tinggi as well.
Bukit Lawang, Puncak Lawang.
Jalawang.
Yeah.
So what do you think for Minang food? West Sumatra food?
Food. I love
Sate Padang.
Sate Padang, rice with the egg.
Very spicy for you?
Not so spicy. I don't like spicy food. It's name. I forgot the name. It's a rice with egg, some vegetables.
Rendang.
Thomas, can you speak in Minang language? Rancak Bana.
Shabana.
Rancak Bana. Rancak Bana. It's very good. I say West Sumatra. You say Rancak Bana.
Shabana.
Thomas, West Sumatra.
Shabana.
Thank you. Thank you for French.
Merci.
Merci, Thomas. Enjoy your trip, and I hope you enjoy your trip.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, guys.
First time in West Sumatra.
Yeah.
Yes. Mantap. You know mantap? Mantap.
Mantap.
Boleh ke sama yang mereka pada kata mungkin dia mau ke Jakarta.
Terlihat MPM Patikawa yang ditumpangi oleh bule Prancis bergerak meninggalkan Terminal Borosolok menuju Jakarta, Bandung dan sekitarnya. MPM Patikawa, kaca depan, pintu depan bagian kirinya cedera bosku, dan diikuti oleh ANS Bintang Fortuna yang juga cedera pada bagian kaca belakangnya bosku, kaca belakang sebelah kiri.